Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of TikTok and learning how to create top creatives report in Revealbot. Stick around as I show you how to create a simple yet insightful video views report from scratch. Let's get started by clicking Create Report and give it a distinctive name. Scroll down to Scope and set out filters. There are many options. I'm going to stick with Campaign Objective is Traffic in this case. And now we can set the metrics to be included into the report. I'm going to stick with total cost and views related metrics, but you can choose whatever metrics you use to analyze performance. I'm also going to add CTR. And now we can set the time frame. There are many default options like last 7 days, last 3 days, but what I want to show you in this example is how you can compare two custom periods in one report. So I'm going to go ahead and select the time frame when my traffic campaigns were active. I want to compare the performance for two time frames. Now let's select the schedule for my report updates and click create. It typically takes a couple of minutes for the report to be generated, and since I enabled Slack alerts for when the report is ready, I'm going to be notified once the data is available. My report is ready and I want to show you how you can change the view to suit your needs. For example, you can change how the report is filtered by metric values and filter out certain creatives based on their height, length, and other dimensions, and also the metric values. I can also refresh my report at any point and share the public link with my teammates or my clients. And there you have it. Keep experimenting and stay tuned for more educational content. Thanks for watching.